Guys, if you want to create your YouTube video thumbnail like this, then this video is just for you. If this is your first time here and want to learn more about computer internet applications, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. So to create your YouTube video thumbnail, then just go to this website called canva.com. Now down here you will see various options. So just click on YouTube video thumbnail. Now here you will see various thumbnail options to choose from, but I'll recommend you to take blank background. So to take blank background, just click on this background option button from here. So let's take this background. Now down here in upload option, just upload your PNG images which you want to use in your thumbnail. I have already uploaded some of the images, so I'll take it from here. I'll take this mobile screenshot as well as this mobile PNG image. Now stretch your image according to your needs. Now to look like a mobile, I'll set this PNG image on this screenshot. Alright, so now we need to put some text here. Normally I use text in the red box. So to take that box, just go to the elements. Now from shapes, select square box. Now click here to choose your color. I'll take red one. Now resize this box by dragging like this. Now go to the text option and click on heading. Now set this text on the red box. Then type your text here. Now to change text color, just click on this icon and select your color. I'll take white. Now if you want to type more text, then just click on this shape and simply click on duplicate from here. Same with the text as well. I'll quickly arrange this to make this video shorter. Now if you want to add other image like WhatsApp icon and arrow, then download WhatsApp PNG logo as well as PNG arrow and upload it here. Now set it accordingly as your needs. Same with the arrow as well. After setting everything, just click on this download button. Now close this box and save your thumbnail. So guys, this is how you can create your YouTube video thumbnail with a few easy steps. So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, then do hit the like button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.